So let's have a look at some example sentences. So, すき焼きを食べたいです。So here use 食べたい. Then this, adding this to make it polite. Okay, so you can add this to polite way. So using this or not is up to you, depending on who you are talking to. But generally speaking, maybe if you are travelers talking to shop staff or someone who you are not so close relationship, maybe better to use a polite Japanese, which is adding this. Okay, then so the sentence structure is you state something object, then what is a particle indicate the object, then you add 食べたいです。Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. すき焼きを食べたいです。はい。Repeat after me again. すき焼きを食べたいです。So this is the picture of sukiyaki. I will introduce more regarding food, the other video lessons. Okay, I want to eat sukiyaki. Next one. 神戸和牛を食べたいです。So, again, here is a Kobe Wagyu is the name of the food or menu. をobject を食べたいです。Okay, repeat after me. 神戸和牛を食べたいです。One more time. 神戸和牛を食べたいです。